Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I just want to share with you this 6x6-inch folio which I have made recently. And this threefold folio style is actually very easy to make, so even if you're just a beginner and you have never done a mini album or a folio before, I think this is a great project to just try it out and make your first album. So there is a tutorial publicly uploaded to my YouTube channel. There's actually two videos, so one is in German and one is in English. So you can just go ahead and watch the tutorial after watching this video. And then I also sell the coordinating cutting guides, which also include templates. So these templates and cutting guides with the images show you exactly how to score and cut all the cardstock elements you would need to make this folio. And I myself really have used these cutting guides over and over again because this folio style is just perfect to give to a friend as a gift. So I have made this folio a couple of times now. This is actually a present I gave to a friend who just had her baby boy. And yeah, so it also takes not that long to make. So usually for my very interactive mini albums, I would spend around 20 hours to make them. But then for this folio style, it only takes me around, I would say, 2 up to 3 hours. And of course you can make this album for any occasion or theme, so you can just get a collection or a paper pad to decorate the album to your liking. And I actually have used a Echo Park mega pad here. So this is the collection called It's a Boy, and I got the 6x6-inch paper pad, but I didn't get the regular paper pad but the mega pad, which is especially for card making, I think, but it's really great to use for this album style. And what I especially love about these mega pads by Echo Park is that not only do they include more papers, so you are actually getting 48 double-sided papers, but they also come with solid papers. And I really like these solid papers which match the color scheme, but they're not as busy as the pattern papers. So I just like to have more busy patterns, and then I mix them with the more basic patterns or papers. And then this paper pad also includes cutter parts, so you are getting some journaling cards as well as some little phrases which you could use in the album as well. So now I will just share this project, and I hope you are going to enjoy it, and then I hope to see you in my next video.